Hey guys, I forgot to tell you about the cold island colossal. So this video as apology I will mute the volume and awake it again. I swear I muted the audio. Wakey wakey. Yes, I added wordos on Plant Island without telling you. The FitnessGram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal, beep, a single L.